Hi, this is Paul for The Pond Guy, here to tell you about essential tools to keep on hand for pond maintenance. Maintaining a pond can be a lot of work, but any job can be made easier with the right tools. Here are 5 tools that are handy to have in your pond toolbox. Pond sprayer, granular spreader, net or skimmer, weed cutter, pond rake. The pond sprayer is an easy way to apply liquid treatments. The Pond Guy Specialty Pond Sprayer holds 2 3/4 gallons of treatment solution and features a wide mouth fill top that minimizes accidental spills, a brass corrosive resistant handle, and a high pressure tank that allows you to spray hard to reach weeds and algae. Mixing lawn and garden chemicals in the same sprayer can be toxic to aquatic life, so it's important to invest in a separate sprayer just to use in your pond. Granular spreader. For granular herbicides and algicides, keep a granular hand spreader handy. With an adjustable flow, the granular spreader will help to spread the correct dosage evenly over the target weeds and algae. Net or skimmer. For surface debris, the Pond Guy Heavy Duty Pond Net Combo is indispensable. The sturdy handle extends to 10 feet, and the fish and sludge nets are equipped with a quick change design, making them easily interchangeable. Use the fish net for grabbing fish, or the sludge net for collecting debris. The Pond Skim Debris Skimmer is also a great tool. With 5 feet of width and 24-foot pole line, the debris skimmer makes quick work of collecting floating debris such as algae, duckweed, leaves, or dead vegetation that can't easily be reached from shore. Weed cutter. After weeds have been treated and killed, use a weed cutter such as the Pond Guy 28-inch weed cutter to assist in their removal. The weed cutter's double-sided blade allows you to saw through large areas of emergent weeds, such as cattails or Phragmites. The rust-proof powder-coated aluminum handle is 11 feet long, so you can reach those pesky submerged weeds too. Pond rake. Debris on the surface of the pond, like algae or fallen leaves, can sink to the bottom and start to decay, adding to the muck and detritus that's already there. The Pond Guy Pond and Beach Rake can be used to pull, gather, and remove dead debris from the surface or the bottom of the pond. Simply attach the float for clearing the surface of the water, or remove it to allow the rake to pull weeds from the bottom. For a finishing touch, the Pond and Beach Rake can also be used as a professional-grade landscaping rake for dressing beach sand. With all these tools handy, pond maintenance will be a snap. For more expert tips, visit us online at thepondguy.com or give us a call at 866-POND-HELP.